So, with today's airdrop of Dimension and the mainnet going live, your tickets to generational wealth might be sitting right on your doorstep. If you claimed this airdrop a couple weeks back, and if you owned a Tensorian, you could have potentially been airdropped thousands upon thousands of dollars. So, I'm going to walk you through today on how to claim your Dimension airdrop or basically set up the network because everything was airdropped for free. There wasn't really a gas fee or anything for the claim. So if you head over here to this website on chainlist.org, I'll drop these links down below in the description for you guys. You can actually just connect your MetaMask wallet and hit next, connect, and just go through this process and hit add to MetaMask, and then it will say approve and switch network. You're going to hit all those different options and you'll be able to access your Dimension through MetaMask. Now, I got a small bag of the Dimension token of a couple $100. I actually staked some of mine so far, but this is basically how it will appear in your wallet. So another way of seeing your allocation is by coming to the portal.dimension.xyz/dimension/staking. And after connecting your wallet, you should be able to see your balance and anything you might have staked. So I actually staked with the Big Brain staking validator. I'm staking half, and I'm probably going to sell part of my airdrop in a couple days. Usually with these big airdrops like we've seen today, there's been a lot of price pumping. So I'm going to hold on to this one for a couple days and see what kind of price tags we pump up to, and then maybe sell off half my supply or 25% of my supply, depending on the numbers. So that's how I go about this. And if you're looking to sell your Dimension, you can actually come over here to CoinGecko and scroll down after typing in Dimension and seeing all the different places you can sell on. These different exchanges have it like Binance, BitGet, BingX, Gate.io, Bybit, KuCoin, Mexi. All these different places have this coin up for sale, so you can sell them on there. And you can actually come in here and see the best price. The best place to sell right now looks like it's BitGet, but depending on different minute or liquidity or anything, you're going to want to check here first for the best place to sell. And plus, you might only have access to certain exchanges being in the US or a different country. So if you're in the US, you're probably going to need to use a VPN for a lot of these different services. One that I've seen work is BingX. So make sure you guys check out these different places if you're looking to sell. And yeah, if you guys got some value out of this, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video to print you guys some more generational wealth. Peace.